Assalamu alaikum. Please choose the correct translation for this Arabic phrase. 1. الجو لطيف. A. The weather is hot. B. The weather is cloudy. C. The weather is nice. If you know the answer, please write it in the comment. I will look at it and reply to you inshallah. Next phrase. 2. هل أنت متقاعد؟ A. Are you tired? B. Are you tired? C. Are you busy? Next phrase. 3. أسكن في القاهرة. A. I live in Cairo. B. I work in Cairo. C. I travel to Cairo. Please write your answer in the comment. Next phrase. 4. زوجتي حامل. A. My sister is pregnant. B. My sister is a doctor. C. My wife is pregnant. Next phrase. 5. لم أقل هذا. A. I didn't say that. B. I don't say that. C. I didn't eat that. Please write your answer in the comment. Next phrase. 6. كنت نائما. A. I was running. B. He was sleeping. C. I was sleeping. Next phrase. 7. ليس لديه فكرة. A. I have no idea. B. He has no idea. C. I have no choice. Write your answer in the comment, please. Next phrase. 8. إنها فكرة سيئة. A. It's a bad weather. B. It's a bad idea. C. It's a bad result. Next phrase. 9. أين كنت? A. Where are you? B. Where have you been? C. Where is she? Next phrase. 10. لن أبرح مكاني. A. I'm going home. B. I'm not going anywhere. C. I'm not leaving you. Please write your answer in the comment. Next phrase. 11. أرسل له رسالة نصية. A. I send him a text message. B. Send him a text message. C. I send him an email. Next phrase. 12. هل اتصلت بها؟ A. Did you call her? B. Did he call him? C. Did you call him? Next phrase. 13. لا أحب المكوث في البيت. A. I don't like to leave home. B. I don't eat out home. C. I don't like to stay at home. If you know the answer, please write it in the comment. 14. لم أكن مستعدا. A. I wasn't prepared. B. I wasn't interested. C. I wasn't happy. 15. ليس لدي شيء لأقوله. A. I have nothing to eat. B. I have nothing to say. C. I have something to say. Next phrase. 16. لم تقصد أن تجرحك. A. I didn't mean to hurt you. B. You didn't mean to hurt her. C. She didn't mean to hurt you. Next phrase. 17. إنهم ينتظرونك في الداخل. A. They are sitting inside. B. They are waiting for you inside. C. We're waiting for you inside. Next phrase. 18. إنها الناجية الوحيدة. A. She is the only survivor. B. It's the only truth. C. It's the only picture. If you know the answer, please write in the comment. 19. لن يغادر أحد. A. No one is coming. B. No one is here. C. No one is leaving. The last phrase. 20. لا تسخر مني. A. She doesn't mock you. B. Don't mock me. C. I don't mock you. Please choose the correct translation and write it in the comment. I will look at it and reply to you, inshallah. Thank you, and I see you in other lessons, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.